Buds TV. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together. Welcome back to the Mimi Family Show. Today, it's time for Bath Time Fun. Are you?
Step 1. We need our bath time treasure basket. Choosing special toys turns bath time into playtime.
Let's warm up with bubble magic.
Bath bubbles are even more fun when you practice bubble tricks. Splish, splish, bubbles rise. Bath time fun is a... Look, the letters float. Let's spell M-I-R-I.
Me-wee!
You did it! Now it's time for a story.
Mimi imagines the bubbles turning into a bubble kingdom. Welcome, Bubble Friend.
You two smell fresh like flowers.
Bath time was magical today.
What was your favorite part? Bubbles? Toys? Bubble Kingdom?
I liked everything.
See you next time for more Mimi Family Fun.